You've initialized your scene with lights, objects, and a camera. Naturally, the next step is to render. If you look through an entire Three.js program, you've seen this line, telling the renderer class to render the scene. It's possible to call the renderer once during initialization and be done, but usually we want to have the scene be updated as needed. Once the scene is set up, calling the animate function gets things rolling. The key bit of magic is the window requestAnimationFrame call, which in turn uses the animate method itself. This method will start up a rendering whenever it makes sense to do so. The other thing that requestAnimationFrame does for you is help lower the temperature of your computer. No, really. Say you have a WebGL program running in a browser window. If you switch to another tab, the browser will know that the program is no longer visible and it will not keep it running. The animate method calls the render method to, well, render the scene. Actually, it can do much more than that. I like to separate out the render method itself just to keep track of what's doing what. This method is where you want to put code that performs changes before rendering the scene. For example, if the user modifies a slider, the slider's value is used here to modify the scene. We've seen that in previous programs. If you have a bouncing ball animation, you change the position of the ball here. This is where animation gets going.